First scanner, everyone's overhead. Have the lead unit back off a bit.
Holy. Oh no.
An available 13.4-inch diagonal touchscreen, and the choice of powerful engines to pick from. There's a Silverado with the capability you need.
Heard anywhere.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god. I want a perfect okay. Oh my god.
Wild youth, drugged out maniacs and homeless people, and we're not going to let it.
Oh! Alright, contact. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Pull up. Oh god.
And they're also drafting
Whoa!
now that might give law clerks and other people who
What?
work for the federal court some legal protection. I'm also watching for a couple of independent reports due to come out later this summer.
We're not particularly worried about them. I mean, directly across the street, basically blows it out.
What you doing?
The fire and the sparks that shoot off of it.
God damn.
Yeah. He was towing a vehicle. He's towing a vehicle and he got the wobbles.
You guys okay?
Fucking what lot of dead shit. You idiot.
What are they doing?
To find out more. We know questions are let you know. That's why we've got prices on clothing. Fuck. Oh.
Video protected.
Fucking hell, man.
You have it, like, moon that. Wait, that's the one that. Wait. Hey Siri, call.
Happen anymore. We're not going to take it.
Trump's apocalyptic description of DC, though.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Uncle win an entire row of tickets to see her Eras Tour live in Singapore.
Oh! You fucking moron!
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Jesus Christ!
Emergency video.
Fuck me dead!
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
Oh, damn. No.
Ah! God!
New program, The Faceless Immortals. Contra, Wax Set.
To cancel the call, please choose cancel from the...
I don't have much experience, but I'll tell you what I see. When I hear the Bible say, baby, I love you. It seems to me we all got so much loving left to do. And it's
All nation. Calibrated for new alt delivery. This is
some reason it takes a whole week for them to... Oh, shit. Oh, don't come towards us.
Henderson 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Look, $5, $6.
Oh shit!
What the?
Ambulance 213, ladder 195, car 219, motor vehicle collision 5356.